In this video, we look at how to set the day and date on a vintage mechanical watch that doesn't have a quick set function. This one is a 1970s new old stock piece from the Swiss brand Tell, based in Fleurier in the Jura mountains. The crown has only two positions: 0, where you can also wind the watch, and the hand setting position. Turning the hands forward, we see that both the day and date change together at midnight. If we continue another full 24 hours, they will both advance again. That's the standard calendar change. But how do we set the watch to the correct day and date? Here's the key. When we turn the hands backward, the day indication moves back, but the date stays on the advanced date. This gives us a method to work with. Suppose we want to set the watch to Wednesday the 1st. First, we move the hands clockwise in full 24-hour rotations until we reach Wednesday. Once on Wednesday, we turn the hands back to 10 o'clock and then move them forward again to 12. Each back and forth between 10 and 12 advances the date by 1, while the day remains on Wednesday. Repeating this step brings us to Wednesday the 1st. Now that the calendar is correct, we can set the time. Always make sure you're in the right half of the 24-hour cycle. And there it is, Wednesday the 1st at 12:40 p.m. Perfectly set on this beautiful NOS Tell vintage watch, still with its original factory sticker. A few winds of the crown, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and share your experience in the comments.